everyone, welcome back to day 20 of the advent calendar made for me by Lozziecreates. If you want to follow her, all of her information is down below. Go ahead and follow her because she's pretty awesome. And today's hint is, I'm not sure if you have ever done anything like this, but you can try it. I don't know what it is, so let's take a look inside and see. This one is taped up really strong. Something one piece, and I'm not sure what it is because I don't know Japanese. Volume 2. No, I know what it is. Okay, you guys probably can't see it because of the holographs on it, but each of these is a picture. I'm gonna open it up so I can kind of show you guys. It might be easier inside here. So it's like you get this. I'm gonna show you guys inside. It's really hard to see. See? And then you scratch the picture out. That is going to be a lot of fun. Okay. And there's like a little pen in here too for it. So let me know. This is gonna be a tedious task, but I can do it on stream. I don't mind. I love that a lot of the things that Lozzie got me in this advent calendar are things that I can do on stream for you guys. But yeah, guys, if you want to see this on my stream, make sure you leave a comment down there because there's a lot in here. I don't know how many there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, there's 10. And we can do them. So we could do like one in the beginning of stream, do something else, and then do another one another day in the beginning of stream. It looks like they're clips from each movie because I see 3D2Y, which is one of the movies for sure. That's the only one that I can read. So I think they're just snippets from the movie and the anime. But guys, yeah, that's it for today. I'll be back tomorrow for day 21. I hope you all are having a wonderful holiday season. And if you're new, make sure you subscribe so you can be notified for the last 4 days of the advent calendar. Also follow me on Twitch, that's also down below, so that you can see when I'm doing crafting. Like tonight, I'm probably going to be crafting on my Twitch channel, so hope to see you there as well. I will see you all soon. Happy holidays!